Actually, WordPress is a CMS. WordPress is a CMS, content management system. So the software is freely available. Okay, but whenever we want any professional website, then we will purchase a domain and we purchase a hosting. Along with that, we install the WordPress. Whenever we purchase a WordPress, there are so many ways of creation of a website. So basically, we are learning how to design a website by using the WordPress. So today I am going to introduce you one of the, the best example of, one of the free feature of using the WordPress as well. Okay. So see, there are two things. WordPress, when you search in the internet for the WordPress, what you will be having two things. One is WordPress.com and one is WordPress.org. If you go to WordPress.com, here you will be having the complete information of the WordPress, like that, what are the products, what are the features, okay? What are the product features, what are the resources you have, okay? And each and everything related to the resources of the WordPress. Okay, whenever you come across any, doubt or the any, what can I say, the problems or issues, then you can also come and know the details regarding to your problems. Okay, you can contact them directly to ask any doubts. Okay, this is about the WordPress.com, and the second one is WordPress.com, WordPress.org organization org. So if you come here, here you will be having the grow your business, like that. Here, from by coming here also, you can simply install the WordPress website. Okay, you can simply install the WordPress website. So as of now, I will tell you one more thing that is called as the uh, I'm opening a new tab. Let me show you local WP. You just type this. Sorry, lo local WP. See, whenever you type this one here, you will be getting the options of the local WP. This is a software, friends. Here also you can use the WordPress website. So previously in yesterday's class and day before classes, uh, yesterday classes, I told you that in order to practice the WordPress perfectly, so we can use some of the free tools and plugins, right? We can use some domain and hosting free websites, right? So similarly here, one more alternate you have is local WordPress, local WP. Here, where you can install the local WP, and here it will ask you to where you would like to install this. First one, you can download this one. Okay, you simply come up here and here you can download it. Here also you will be having the so here table of contents you will be having, and here one chatbot also will be open, chat box. You no need to go there. Okay, you can simply close that one and you just come up and here you install this one. So let me show you the details of the local WordPress, local WP. So here you will be having the minimum requirement is it will ask you your system will be at least having 4 GB and 1.5 GB of the disk space this software requires. Okay, and the leftover things are simple. How to install this one? It will ask. Okay, no need to worry. So this is a very simple procedure. First, you download this file. Whenever you download this file, you will be getting an option. You will be getting a file here downloaded. That's around 660 MB. Okay, and then by coming up here, local WP, here these are the what you will be having is you can simply download the WordPress here. the best part of this local WP is you can install at a time in these WordPress local WP only. You can install n number of uh, some background voices coming again. Hmm? So you can install the wait, friend, just a second. Wait, wait. Just wait, friends. Very close with the e-commerce. Is it close? Okay. So local WP, come to the local WP. So install this local WP on your laptop or desktop. So this is a free version of the WordPress. Okay, one more version of the local WordPress. So here you can install this on your website, on your laptop or desktop. And this is a local or a private network. Here, this is only for the purpose of showing your website, designing your website, learning your website. Okay, it will be not eligible, not, shareable on the entire world. So for the practicing purpose, you can use this for a best. And then one more feature of this one is here you can install on the same platform n number of websites. Okay, on e-commerce, different kinds of websites you can learn. You no need to install again and again a new domain, new what can I say, the URL of these things like Infinity WP. Every time you have to take other mm, creation of taking the domain hosting and installing, go to the cPanel, go to the software plus software, then installing WordPress like that. You don't need to do all of these things. Just simply add and add another, another domain, add, take another domain, like that it will go on like this. Okay. First, what you have to do is download this, go to this one where to download it will ask download local URL, local. It will be installed within according to your speed of your network. So the size of this software is around 666 MB. And after the completion of the download, what you can do is you can open a file. The file will be looking like this. Okay. So this is the software. Wherever you choose the location. So best part, keep these location on your desktop and then you install this one. Okay. And after then it will be opened. So this is the dashboard of the local. So this is the dashboard, friends. Okay. So what you will be having here is here you can add a number of add local site. Okay. First I have added one and just domain here, a simple domain name, whatever you take, that it will be your domain, right? So my first WordPress site dot local.com it will become. Okay, the extension of this local is local.com like that. So my first WordPress site, I have taken my name as the domain. And then if you want to add one more software, one more website, create a new, it will ask them to continue. And then it will ask you to give your site name. Okay. WooCommerce site. If I was to my first WooCommerce site. Okay, that's it. Give the name, and then it will be asking this preferred PHP. Okay. Then WordPress username, password, you have to keep it because when we install the WordPress, uh, whenever we want to go to the admin panel, it is asking us you give the domain username and password, right? So for that reason, give the domain name, username, admin, and give the password as okay, something you give any number like that. Okay, add WordPress. Okay, that will be enough. Now the site is getting started. Okay. Another site is it is now making for us. Okay. So this is the first one. So whenever I would like to do something on our website, so here the first is installed, SSL is also installed, and then web server PHP version is this is the PHP version. This is the database where the complete data is stored here. Okay. So here it will ask these things. Okay. So presently, okay, I given the access to install this one. So it is as it is adding. Okay, like this, some commands will pop up, and then you have to make it okay. So here one more option you will be having here is one click admin. If you make it on, directly you will jump into the admin dashboard. Okay, you no need to even enter the username password again. Okay. So here also open the site. If you want to open the site, the site will be gets opened here. So see here, the my first WordPress site dot local. So this is the WordPress. So by default, a theme has been installed. Okay. So by default, a theme has been installed here. And if I would like to go to my admin panel, what I can do is here I come here and then I have to, WP admin, I have to press here, right? So it has taken automatically because I have enabled the option of direct admin login, right? So I have came into my new WordPress dashboard. So the process is very simple, friends. Here, one more website is also adding here like that. You can add, you just come up and click here and then you can add a number of sites. This is for the complete practicing purpose. One more option I'm giving you. Okay. And now coming to the other options we have here. Connect, you will be having a connect a platform here. Okay. Deploy up to 5 times faster with local connect. Simply connect to the WP engine or flywheel hosting platforms. Okay. You can also connect the hosting platforms here. Other platform, WP engine, flywheel, all these are the some of the platforms, local platforms. So they are asking us to they are recommending us. Okay. And the second thing is uh, you just go to the URL first one. So see here, uh, this is the database details. Okay. And these are the tools we have. Okay. This is the site shell. Open, we have opened this one, WP admin. So this is the WP admin. From here also you can go to the admin panel of the WordPress website. Okay. From here also you can enter into the WordPress website and then come up here, overview. See one more thing. So these are the basic things, friends. Okay. So if you want to stop this site, you can stop. Okay. So now open the site. The site may not be open. stop site, site was not stopped, and then open. And again it is starting. Okay. So anyhow, you can stop the site as well. Okay. After the uh, what? So this one also started, friends. Okay, my first WordPress site is one. This is the WooCommerce site here. This is also getting ready. Like that, you can add a number of domains, etc. Whatever you want to give the domain, it will take it. Okay, because local site is a extension on that local site. You may not be having that many of domains connected. So you simply get the chance to connect your hosting. What can I say? Your domain here. Okay. Okay. Here, if you have any, so a number of how many number of sites are running there, you can see the number of sites here. Link enabled, live link is enabled now, and connecting to host. If you have any host here, so they are probably recommending to hostings, and otherwise you can, need to get the hosting here. It is for the starting, what practicing purpose. Okay.